Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log out of the CoinGecko application step by step on your mobile device. Whether you are switching devices, troubleshooting an issue, or simply securing your account, logging out of CoinGecko is quick and easy. First of all, launch open the CoinGecko application on your device and make sure that you're inside the main home screen. Once you're in, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. Inside the profile section, you will see this interface where you need to scroll all the way down and find the sign out button. Tap on sign out and click on sign out once again in the pop-up to log out of your CoinGecko application right away. Just make sure you remember your login credentials before logging out, and logging out also helps protect your account, especially on shared or public devices. And that's it, you've successfully logged out of the CoinGecko application. If you ever need to log back in, simply open the app and enter your registered email or login methods. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.